Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered the Wi-Fi HTTP open weather demo for our CrowPanel ESP32 4.2 inch e-paper HMI display from Elecrow. Okay, and we have used Ahmedabad city and Surat city to display their weathers on our ESP32 e-paper HMI display. Now in this video we want to display our favorite image, favorite image in the black and white mode to our ESP32 ePaper HMI display. Then how we can do that? So here on the camera you can see here is my one of the favorite image, and I have used it to display it on our ESP32 ePaper HMI display. So if you want to use this display for similar kind of scenario, then how you can do that? Okay, so I have some other images of the Iron Man. So here is the first one and here is the second one. So if I want to use any of the image, and I want to display it on my ESP32 ePaper screen, then how can I do that? So that thing we are going to cover in this video. So I have this image and I want to use it to display here on the main screen. So there are two ways to do that. So first one is you can adjust this picture size by 400 by 300 pixel, because our ESP32 ePaper HMI display is having size of 400 by 300 pixel. Otherwise there is one more option. You can go to this image to CPP link, and now you can click on the browse to select your file. So as of now I'm going to select this file, and here you can see this is the preview. So here you can see the pixel 850 by 531, but this is very large. It won't be going to fit in our ePaper display, so I will reduce it to 400 by 300. And then we will select that center the image horizontally and vertically, and then I am going to select scale to fit keeping properties. So this is how it will look like on our ePaper HMI display. And then we will leave everything as it is, and just we will click on the generate code. So it will generate the code for us. Now we can use this code to display this image on our ESP32 ePaper HMI display. And if you want to enhance this image, then you can control the brightness. So here you can see if I change to brightness to 200, then this is how it is look like. This is brightness 128, this is brightness 100, this is 150 brightness. So 125 is okay for me. So we will leave it as it is, and we'll again click on the generate code. Now where you can use this code to display this image on our ESP32 ePaper HMI display. So you can open the partial refresh demo code. So you can get this partial refresh demo code in the example folder. So you can click here to download the examples. I have already downloaded the examples, and here it is. We are going to use this partial refresh, so I'm going to open this. We will open the INO file. And we have to edit few things here. So first of all, we will go to our image to CPP site, and then we will copy the output. So you can click on copy output. You can go to Arduino IDE, and you can navigate to this last file, picscenario.h, and you can press Ctrl A and then Ctrl V. And then you have to delete these things. Just the last thing, and that's it. Now you can go to the top, and you can copy this name, apd bitmap ironman _2. So you have to copy this function name. Then after, you have to go to the main INO file, and here you can see apd show picture, and here you can see gi image _1. So instead of this gi image _1, you have to paste that name which is available here. And here you have to select the pixels. So our picture size is 400 by 300 pixels, so I'm going to select 400 by 300. That's it. So that's all you have to change in this code. After that, you can directly push this code to our display. Now here you have to select ESP32 Dev module. In the tools, you have to select flash size 8 MB, partition scheme huge app, and PSRAM OPI PSRAM. Everything is selected. Now I can verify the code. Okay, there is no error in the code, so everything is fine. We are good to upload it. So we can hit the upload button to upload the entire code to our ePaper HMI display. Okay, and here we have our photo, okay, on our main display. Okay, everything is cleared because here clear all is mentioned. So we have to disable this, okay, or we have to comment this, and then we can upload the code again, and then after this screen won't be clear. So let's upload the code again. Okay, here you can see our photo. Okay, but the background is white and the helmet is in the black color, but here it is totally different. Then how can I correct it? So here instead of white, okay, in this line 27 EPD underscore show picture, here instead of white you have to specify black. Okay, so BLACK, and then you can re-upload the code, and then after your image will be corrected. Okay, it is corrected as I have mentioned. You can change this to black from the white and it will be corrected. Now there is one more image, okay, this one. If you want to use it to display on the main screen, then also you can use it. All you have to do is go to this image to CPP site. You can remove this image. You can browse for your new image, okay, and you can mention the canvas size 400 by 300 pixel. Okay, you can select this scale to fit horizontally and vertically, and this is how your screen will look like. And then you can click on the generate code. So code is generated. You can copy the output. You can again go to the picscenario.h. You can paste the entire code. You can remove this last lines. Okay, you can go to the top and you can copy this function name apd underscore bitmap underscore ironman underscore 1, and then you can go to the main INO file and here you can paste the name. That's it. You can now upload the code, okay, to your display, and it will be changed to this image. Okay, here we go. We have the Iron Man on our screen. So this is how you can use this Elecrow CrowPanel ESP32 4.2 each ePaper HMI display to show the various images on the main screen in the black and white format. You can also show the QR code. You can also show your company logo and everything in the black and white image. Okay, you just have to understand how you can show it. So you can use this partial refresh example, okay, along with this image to CPP website. Okay, you can put your photo here. You can adjust the image setting, you can show the preview, and you can generate the output code, and you can copy paste that output code here in the Arduino IDE in the picscenario.h. You can remove the last line, okay, which we have removed previously. You can copy this function name or whatever it is, okay, and you can just paste it here. You can change the pixel size from 400 by 300, okay, and here you can change from white to black to display this kind of exact images. Okay, so I hope this is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Otherwise, we will meet you in the future videos with more interesting example with Elecrow CrowPanel ESP32 ePaper HMI display. So stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.